Hello everyone, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. Today I will be showing you another video on how you can wash hair at home in any room that you want to wash hair in. You can take this unit on the road, you can have it in any room in your home. If you are a person that does hair at home and you want a salon but you don't have the proper plumbing, well, you can use this device to wash hair and it'll work perfect. Now I did a video before and I showed you the device that I was using. It was like a portable shower unit for people who do camping. One of the YouTubers chimed in and told me that it was a good device and it was a good idea, but it was too loud and their clientele probably wouldn't care for that. Well, I understood that perfectly, which made me want to try to bring another way that I could enhance the hair washing experience. Now guys, this is just, probably non-conventional for some people or whatever, but if this is something that you think that you may want to use, I just thought I would bring it to you because I have used the new unit that I found and came up with, and maybe it'll help you, because that's what I'm here for, to bring you new ideas and things that may help you. Okay guys, if you have not yet, please comment, like, and subscribe. I love hearing from you guys, I really do. So let's get to it. Okay guys, as you see, I have my shampoo bowl hooked up. I also have my water unit with the clean water on top, and there's another unit under the bottom for your wastewater, and they are stacked on top of one another, and you see the hose is running to the wastewater. I got all of my equipment off of Amazon. So see, I take this one off. The hose from the shampoo bowl is running into this unit here. So you don't have to worry about, the room that it'll take up. And I just simply stack the clean water on top of the wastewater here. The unit that I will be using today to make your hair washing experience simple, guys, is this. This is a siphoning pump. Okay guys, this is a siphoning pump. So, how you use this unit is simple. You stick this part here, this part go in the water, and there's a switch up here. You use 2 D batteries. So, you unscrew this, 2 D batteries go in here, you have a switch there, you stick this part into the water, and this part is what is going to be used to wash the hair. So, you take this, you stick it in the unit, as so. Now guys, there's 2 ways that I want to show you how to do this. For video purposes, I'm going to show you how this works just by using it this way, okay? So I'm going to turn the unit on. And it works very well. Okay? So I'm going to turn the unit off. Now guys, if this extension is not long enough for you, I believe the opening here was a 1/2 inch. So I went to Lowe's and got a hose. It came, more tubing came in it, but I cut this much off, and I think this one is 5/8, if you can see it. And I just simply inserted one into the other. Okay guys? I inserted one into the other. And this will give you more room to do what you need to do. Can you see that, guys? And it works perfect. And the water is draining out, going into the second level of the unit, of the wastewater. So guys, it's real quiet. As you can see, it's very quiet. And it works perfect for me. Okay guys, that was it. That was the new improved method of how I wash hair. And to tell you the truth, I really like that better than the way that I was doing it before. You know, for a couple of reasons. It doesn't take any wires. There was a lot of wires with the other one. This one is just a siphoning pump. I got the siphoning pump from Lowe's and it was like $12.95, so you may as well say $13. The hose to extend it was $9.95, so I got that. And the batteries are D batteries that you use in it. Now the wonderful thing about that is I am going to go get some rechargeable batteries. So when one set of batteries are in the unit, I can always have some rechargeable batteries charging up, and I don't have to spend any more money on the batteries that the unit uses. So guys, I hope this helps someone. Like I said before, this is Top It Off with Miss R. Please shoot me some more comments and tell me what you think about this unit, and I will try to improve on everything that I bring you guys. Please guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay safe and stay blessed. And until next time. Mwah.